We're at Converters Expo today with Aaron Hootkin with Enercon, and he's the Regional Sales Manager. And we wanted to know if you could please describe for us, what does Enercon do?
Sure. Enercon provides surface treating equipment of different types: Corona, Flame, Plasma, and we provide those pieces of equipment for wide web applications, narrow web applications, and 3D applications as well. We also make ozone generating equipment for the extrusion coating process, as well as we have an induction cap sealing division where we make equipment that puts that little foil seal on those containers that you get that is hard to get off from time to time for industries like pharmaceutical, food and beverage, and health and beauty.
Okay. Now, I've heard a lot of excitement about a new product that you've offered that's called Plasma 4, which means there was a Plasma 3.
Correct.
I'm interested in knowing how it's different.
Sure.
And what the benefits are.
Right. Well, Plasma 4 is a new treater. It's our next generation of plasma treatment. The big aspect of what we did in developing Plasma 4 was to overcome some of the performance barriers that previous generations, both our Plasma 3 and other industry plasma treaters, had in terms of plasma treatment of materials. And the way we went about doing that was really in the design. For instance, with our Plasma 3 technology, we were limited in terms of line width and speed. About 2.2 meters was the widest we could go, and probably about 100 meters per minute was the fastest line we could work with. Plasma 4's technology allows us to now work at about 300 meters per minute, so almost 3 times as fast, and about 3 meters or about 50% wider in terms of line. So we can use plasma in more applications than we were able to in the past. When I talk about speed, one of the problems with speed in plasma treatment is boundary layer air. With our Plasma 3, the way it's designed, boundary layer air coming through with the web can sweep the gases out from underneath the electrode that's in that system, which could affect treatment. The new design eliminates that boundary layer air problem. Also in the design, what you'll find is we've eliminated the possibility of electrode breakage. Plasma 3 design has extruded ceramic electrodes. The new design does not. So if you have, say, a splice coming through, for instance, that impacts the electrode, in the new system, we've eliminated that impact problem, and the design has changed so that in essence we won't have electrode breakage. One of the other things that we've done with Plasma 4 is we've reduced the utility usage. We talk about gas usage. Essentially, we are now using about 50% of the gas that was necessary when we ran a Plasma 3 system. So the customer's utility cost is going to be lower as well. So there's a variety of things that we've improved upon, both from a performance standpoint, an economic standpoint, and an ecological standpoint. For instance, we're not creating any ozone with the Plasma 4 technology. And one of the unique features of the Plasma 4 treater is that it can also be used in Corona mode, not just plasma mode. So you can ionize air underneath it, but again, it operates in an ozone-free type situation. So we're very proud of the new Plasma 4 treater. And one of the things I just want to mention is that at ICE Europe back this past fall, we were awarded the C2 Innovation Award for the Plasma 4 treater design, and obviously it's something that we're very proud of.
Well, congratulations on that. That's quite an accomplishment.
Thank you. Appreciate that.
Yes. And thank you for joining us here at Converters Expo with Enercon.